How to migrate Pi to Mainnet. Pi Network, Step 9. Pi Network 2FA. And many more are the exact terms you're desperately searching for. The goal is clear. How to migrate your Pi to Mainnet, because only then you can freely trade, sell, or use your mined Pi. End your search here. This is the one and only video you need. It covers everything you're looking for. Don't be discouraged by the 20-minute length. This video packs 20 days of continuous research and hard work to solve the issue you've struggled with for weeks or months, and it'll even help you guide other pioneers facing the same problem. Our last video, How to Migrate Pi to Mainnet, Pi Network, Step 9, Complete Guide, has now become a YouTube favorite, helping thousands successfully migrate in just a few hours. If you haven't watched that video yet, click the I button above or check the link in the description. If you are new to crypto and worried you're too late to join Pi, don't be. It's not too late. You can still become part of the Pi network by joining my team. Just click the join link and use the referral code provided in the description. Why join my team? Because I don't just manage one, I manage multiple Pi accounts, all of which have successfully completed Step 9, Migrate to Mainnet. These accounts now earn steady profit through Pi buying and selling. That's why I've created detailed step-by-step videos covering everything from Step 1 to Step 9. By joining now, you'll get full guidance through the entire process, plus I'm available to assist you personally 24/7. To make it easier, I've organized all the videos into a playlist. You can access it via clicking the I button or the link in the description. It's simple. Follow someone who's already reached the destination. Let's return to our original topic. We are sure that you are here due to one of the following reasons. You followed the last video, but still didn't complete Step 9. Wallet activation is not available for you. Activation through third-party like Banxa may either be unavailable in your country, or you may choose to avoid it due to its high fees. You are in search of a well-explanatory content, how to do Pi Network 2FA, or how to confirm your wallet, or how to activate your wallet. You had migrated successfully, but your Step 9 has turned orange-colored again, showing its status as returned, and all your Pi is back in the app. If you're in any of these situations, this video is for you only.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
Before switching to the mobile screen and showing you the practical steps for successful mainnet migration, let me explain why you're still stuck at Step 9. Forget the rumors, false assumptions, and the dozens of confusing videos you've watched. Instead, ask Pi itself. What's the official stance? So, this is what Pi says. And summary of Pi stance is, on March 13th, 2025, Pi Network made 2FA mandatory to secure wallets and confirm ownership before Pi can migrate to Mainnet. All pioneers, even those who completed Step 9 and transferred Pi, must complete two-factor authentication through a trusted and verified email. If two-factor authentication is not completed, migrated Pi will be returned to Pi Network app during or after the 14-day pending period, but will be remigrated once two-factor authentication is done. And the key point of Pi's stance is, if you have completed all mainnet checklist steps and are waiting for the migration process to complete, make sure to add a trusted email and complete two-factor authentication as soon as you receive prompts to do so. So, if you are facing any of the issues listed above, Pi Network has provided a clear roadmap to help you resolve them. Add a trusted email to your Pi profile and verify it. If your email section already shows verified, you're good to go. Confirm your wallet or complete your migration through two-factor authentication using your verified email. Activate your wallet. Wait a few hours or days for Step 9. Migrate to Mainnet to be marked as completed and turn green. Here's an important note. Before you take any action, watch this video fully, and preferably twice. If you skip even a small part, jump ahead, or fast forward just a few seconds, you might miss the exact step that finally completes your migration. So stay with me. No skipping. I would like to clarify here that I have personally completed all these steps and successfully migrated to the mainnet. I have recorded most of the process on screen. However, for a few missing parts, I may use screen recordings or screenshots from fellow pioneers. So if you notice any differences, such as mined Pi amounts, email addresses, or similar details, please don't be confused or overly suspicious. I assure you that I am committed to deliver my very best to you. Let's begin exactly according to Pi Network's roadmap to solve your problem, or whatever it may be. First, check your profile to see if the email address linked to your account is marked as verified. It's good if your email is already verified, like mine is. If not, simply click Verify. If you want to change your verified email address, click Update instead. In either case, make sure that the email address displayed in the box when you click Verify, or the email address you enter when you click Update, is correct. There's no need to mention that you must have access to the inbox of the email you verify or update. Click Verify here. Pi will intimate you about verification email sent to your email address. Switch to inbox of your Gmail and find the recent mail by Pi. Refresh the page if not found. If still not found, check spam folder. When found, click here to verify your email, and Pi will navigate to a page with notification that email verification is successful. Switch to your Pi Network app, go to your profile, and ensure that it now shows your email as verified. As your email has been verified, now is the time to perform two-factor authentication, or in simple words, confirm your wallet. Navigate to step 3 of your Mainnet checklist, titled Confirm Your Wallet, and click it, even if it appears normal and already green. Enter your passphrase in the box below. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Just click Create a New Wallet. Follow the on-screen steps, and once the new wallet is set up, return here to confirm it. Let me clarify. Your mined Pi remains safe as long as it's in your Pi Network app and you can access the app. So, creating a new wallet, even 2 or 3 times, poses no risk to your Pi balance. However, frequently creating wallets may affect your credibility in Pi's system and could delay your mainnet migration, but it won't cause you to lose your mined Pi. If you create a new wallet, make sure to keep your passphrase safe, ideally by physically writing it down in a diary or notebook. After entering your passphrase here, click on Confirm Your Wallet. As soon as you click Confirm, Pi will send a confirmation email to your verified Gmail address. Check the inbox or spam folder of your Gmail. Navigate to email recently received from Pi, titled Confirm Your Migration Wallet. Open the mail and click the blue-colored link that says Verify Your Migration Wallet. As soon as you click it, you will receive a notification inside your Pi Network app confirming verification successful. You might be asked to re-enter passphrase to access your wallet that is confirmed and linked to your Gmail. Your two-factor authentication or wallet confirmation is almost done. Now, what you need to do is go to step 6 of the Mainnet checklist. Sign acknowledgement to receive tokens. You might notice that it has turned purple again from green. Even if it still appears green and looks fine, just click it. If you don't find any actionable link there, simply go back. Nothing needs to be done. However, in most cases, especially if you have created a new wallet or in process of confirmation of an old wallet, you will find an actionable link, I agree. Click I agree, enter the passphrase of the wallet you just confirmed, click Sign, and then click I understand. That's it. You're done with this step for now. Now log out once from Pi Network app. Open the Pi browser app. It will say for login as you have recently logged out from Pi Network app. Click on the Wallet tab. Click Activate your wallet if the option has now become available for you. For a detailed, step-by-step video on how to activate your Pi wallet, click the I button or find the video link in the description. If activation is still not available, don't get disheartened. Just wait a few hours or a few days. Meanwhile, keep logging out and logging in Pi Network app once daily. As soon as you activate your wallet, your Step 9 of the Mainnet checklist, Migrate to Mainnet, that was in status of in queue, pending or returned, will turn green and be marked as completed. Subsequently, your Mind Pi will also be transferred to your confirmed, verified, and activated wallet. I am confident that you will succeed if you follow all the steps above exactly. However, if you remain unsuccessful for several more days and your Step 9 Migrate to Mainnet isn't completed, the activation option isn't available for your wallet, you are still unable to confirm your wallet or confirm your migration, or the Pi returned from your wallet to the Pi Network app isn't resumed, it's time to contact Pi Network team directly. In such cases, we believe that Pi might have placed your account on hold, considering you as one of the following types of pioneers. Pioneers who, in frustration, attempted to sell their accounts in the past. Pioneers who, in the past, before launch of Mainnet, had attempted to exchange or sell Pis on platforms like MeXC, Huobi, OKX. Pioneers who have been fortified or penalized for any reason. Pioneers who created multiple wallets, more than 5. Accounts with a significant and unexpected drop in their referral team. Those who unnecessarily linked their Facebook accounts, particularly with locked profiles, even after migration. Any action that raised a red flag, indicating either you might be a scammer or your account could be compromised. Pi Network may temporarily hold, suspend, or pause accounts at certain stages for the protection of pioneers, to safeguard them from scammers, or to monitor an account that once has been involved in illegal activities or had made violations. Pi is actively working to resume accounts, doing so in batches for those they believe have been cleared and protected. As I mentioned earlier, you can approach them directly with request to complete your Step 9 Migrate to Mainnet, reaffirming that you are a genuine pioneer who has taken valid steps to protect your account. Now let's proceed with approaching Pi directly to resolve the issue. In the description of this video, I'll provide the exact subject and message that several of my fellow pioneers forwarded to Pi Network team. It worked, and their Step 9 Migrate to Mainnet got cleared. However, don't forget to attach screenshots of the problem as well. Open your Pi Network app. Click top left 3 vertical lines. Click Support Portal. If the page of Support Portal does not load, click the Pi Support Portal link mentioned in the description. Scroll down and click Pi Help in Email Request. Enter your email here that is registered with Pi Network app. Enter your Pi username. Enter subject, like Request to complete Step 9 on priority. Enter description. Attach screenshot of Step 9. At last, click Send. You can resend such an email every week or fortnight if the issue persists. Now, I'm going to share with you some simple but powerful tips that might trigger completion of Step 9, Migrate to Mainnet. These tips may seem non-technical and may not appear logical, but hundreds of my followers have practiced these tips and successfully completed Step 9. Until the activation option becomes available in your wallet or your Step 9 Migrate to Mainnet is flagged as completed, apply to become a Pi validator. Once approved, perform some validations daily. To watch a complete video guide on how to become a Pi validator, click this I button or find the link in the description. Log out and log back into the Pi Network app once daily. From now on, don't repeatedly attempt to verify your phone number if it was previously verified but has become unverified. This is not the reason your Step 9, Migrate to Mainnet, is not being completed. It's no longer necessary since Pi has introduced 2FA via email. For example, my own phone number is unverified, yet all steps are completed and marked green. If you have already linked and verified your Facebook account, that's fine. However, if you haven't linked it yet and are trying to do so in an effort to enhance the security and authenticity of your account, believing it may help you complete Step 9, Migrate to Mainnet, you are mistaken. Don't do this unnecessarily. Linking your Facebook account can sometimes cause problems, especially if your name or other details on your Facebook profile don't match the information you provided to Pi Network. It can also create issues if your Facebook profile is locked. Link your Facebook account with Pi only if Pi insists to do so, and you are sure that your Facebook profile has the same credentials that you had forwarded to Pi. Avoid using multiple Wi-Fi routers while performing any Pi network tasks. Try to use the same Wi-Fi connection that you originally used when registering for the Pi network app. Avoid creating and confirming multiple wallets. 1 to 3 attempts may be acceptable, but repeated wallet creation should be avoided. Go to Play Store and update Pi Network app and Pi Browser app if update is available. Uninstall Pi Network app and reinstall it. Dear Pi fellows, I want to assure you that I have done everything in my power to support the resolution of this long-awaited issue. If you've stayed with me through this whole process, trust me, Pi will eventually fix your issue. Now, all that's left is a bit more patience. After coming this far, what's a little more waiting? The time and effort you've already invested shows Pi one important thing. You're loyal to the network, and that's exactly what any project values most in its community. Pi will not abandon you, and it will not leave behind any hard-working pioneer. Never. Keep faith, stay patient, and remember, we are all in this together. I would be truly glad and deeply encouraged if you ask me anything, share your suggestions, or leave a review in the comments section. I'm sharing the comments and prompt responses from viewers of my last video just to show you that I read every single comment and truly enjoy responding to them. Whatever you write, even if it's a criticism or goes against me, I will treat it as a mandate for improvement. So please, don't hesitate to comment. Your feedback will empower me, help me grow, and motivate me to work even harder for you. Before you go, I highly recommend checking out another video on my channel. How to fix Windows, lagging, freezing, and slow performance. Whether you're using a laptop or desktop, chances are you've encountered or will eventually face this issue. This solution-based video thoroughly addresses the problem and provides easy-to-follow steps. After implementing these steps, your system will run up to 10 times faster, just like the day you first bought it. Guaranteed. To watch the video, simply click the I button or find the link in the description. Thank you for your support. We're sure this content has been valuable for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more useful and exciting content coming your way. That's it for now. See you in the next video soon. For any general or business inquiries, feel free to reach out to us on WhatsApp at +92 3222 731 or email us at contactdigitdon@gmail.com.
You know, there is one and only key to success, that is patience and consistency. So be intact and don't listen to people who make you disheartened. We all together will be successful, no doubt.
DIGITDON, the name of trust and reliability.